Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor Company Limited is an outstanding automobile manufacturer in China, integrating the R&D, manufacturing, sales and service of commercial vehicles and passenger vehicles, pursuing excellent quality and committing to providing excellent transportation products and services for global customers. The brand of Dongfeng Motor, founded in 1954 and entering into the automobile production field in 1969, is one of the earliest Chinese enterprises engaged in automobile production. 63 years of deep accumulation shapes the excellent Liuzhou motor quality. Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor Company Limited establishes marketing and service network all over China and export products to SE Asia, Middle East, and Africa. So far, the company has cultivated two brands, namely commercial vehicle brand Chenglong and passenger vehicle brand Dongfeng Fengxing. As the largest R&D center of Dongfeng Motor Group in the South, the strong and professional automotive R&D team leads the scientific research strength of Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor to move forward continuously. Precise R&D process and advanced R&D equipment ensure that each new vehicle launched by Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor can meet the actual demands of the market at maximum. In addition, it has the capacity of producing 100,000 commercial vehicles planned and 400,000 passenger vehicles per year. With forward-looking layout, Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor built 4 bases by investing huge funds, ensuring that Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor becomes a benchmark enterprise building modern manufacturing of vehicles.